EMV, which stands for Europay MasterCard Visa, is a new fraud prevention technology that is being embedded into every credit and debit card. It's the strongest protection available, and over 1 billion EMV cards have been issued worldwide. This protection will soon be coming to the United States. In fact, the deadline is looming for every merchant in the US to be ready to accept EMV cards. If your terminal does not accept EMV cards when the deadline arrives, the fraud liability will be shifted to you, which means that you will be paying potential fines and penalties in the event of fraud. Depending on the severity of fraud, this could mean tens of thousands of dollars in fines. In addition to accepting EMV cards, it's also important to accept tap-and-go payments, also known as near-field communication payments via smartphones from digital wallets like Google Wallet. With emerging technologies, soon your customers may not use cards at all. By 2015, 1 in every 4 smartphones will have a digital wallet. Who needs a wallet when you can use a phone as a credit card? Is your business ready? These changes are going to happen whether you're ready or not. And here at CPay, we're making it easy for you to future-proof your business now with the new EMV NFC-ready VX520 terminal. Talk to your local sales representative today about our limited VX520 terminal placement program and get future-proof.